Yesterday, gold has continued to lose its value. We can see the price has formed also a bearish breakout below 4105.86 with a large wick on the lower side, small wick on the upper side, which means there is still selling pressure pushing the price down further, and it has stopped at around 4021.78, a daily support level. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see yesterday the price has gone down strongly and it has lost its value, but it has recovered slightly up and then again formed this strong bearish candle, indicating further decline down, and the price has reached this area of support. And we can see for the 2 time frames of the 4-hour, the price has formed 2 bullish pin bars, could not manage to close below this area of support for 057.32 on the 4-hour time frame, and the price has continued to rise in value to the next area of resistance, which is 4105.86. Here we can see the price is bouncing between these 2 price levels. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that also clearly how the price has behaved. This was a strong bearish momentum pushing the price down, then the price has reversed back up, then again pushing it back down, but there is still buying pressure demand zone here where the buyers are waiting, pushing the price going up and then reaching the daily resistance level for 105.86. I have modified these support and resistance levels since yesterday based on the market conditions, and we can see the price is respecting these levels, and we can see the price is currently has stopped right here at the resistance level for 105.86. What we can expect today based on this one, what I can see currently on this candle formation, this is indicating further decline in value, at least up down to here around 4040. Because of this candle formation, there is no buying pressure right here, and also buying candle that it would indicate further rise in value. That is on the daily time frame how it looks right now. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see we have 2 bullish pin bars indicating there is a strong buying pressure right here, pushing the price up and not allowing the price to close on the 4-hour time frame below this area of support, which means that this is a very important support level right now, which the sellers needs to break in order to allow the price to push down even further. Now also there is a selling pressure right here. We can see that around 4145.86, which is not allowing the price to rise in value. So we have fight between the buyers and the sellers, especially right in this area where the price is bouncing from this area of support, from this area of resistance, and then bouncing up and down, up and down. So this means that we need to wait until the price makes a breakout up above this area of resistance, down below this area of support. When the price makes that move, this will indicate where the price will go further up. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that how the price is respecting this area of resistance, which is the first step for the price in order to reach this area, which is a very important on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a very important resistance level for the buyers if they manage to push the price up. We can see that for 3-4 hours the price could not manage to go above, and we can see the price could not close the candle above this price level, which is 4102.03. This is a very important resistance. If the price closes above this area of resistance on the 1-hour time frame, this will be also a bullish breakout indicating further rise, but only to this area of small resistance for 124.78. It is a question: will the price have enough strength to reach this area of resistance, which is a very important one. We can see that where the price formed a bullish breakout. Now, if the price could not reach this area of resistance, if the price returns back down, we can see also that the price for 3 hours could not manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support for 073.42. Now we can see on the 1-hour time frame the price is having problems going up and down, so it will be also a first step for the price if managed to make a bearish breakout that will allow the price to reach lower levels. And we can see this is for 057.32, next resistance support level that needs to be broken in order for the price to allow to reach again this 4021.78. On the daily time frame, I have mentioned that there is a potential that price reaches 4040, and we could, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that 4040.85 is the support level. That is very important, and if it is broken, it will allow the price to reach lower levels, maybe even further below this area of support, which is a daily support level. Let's go step by step. First of all, let's see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will it manage to make a bullish breakout? And then after that, this one, which is a very important one, or the price will manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support and then reaching 4040.85, which is the target, also visible on the daily time frame. I am more inclined to see the price going further down because of this candle formation. which is indicating still strong bearish sentiment, at least around this area of support and this daily support. Then we will see how the price looks. 4-hour time frame now looks indecision because strong selling pressure, also buying pressure here, needs to make a clear bullish or bearish breakout where the price could go. So that's why we are watching a 1-hour time frame. So feel free to check also the link below for joining the premium membership, where you can also receive the updates during the day, where I share the details when there is a bullish or bearish breakout happening and also what is the target. That's all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.